good to see you again. How's it going today?
Hi, Emma. I'm doing well, thank you. A little hungry, but good.
Hungry? Did you eat lunch?
Not yet. I'll eat after our lesson.
Okay, I hope we don't talk about food today.
Haha, yes, please. No food talk.
Don't worry. Today we are talking about something different. Today's topic is talking about your family.
Oh, nice. This is a very useful topic.
Yes, because everyone talks about family in daily conversations, when you meet new people, when you introduce yourself. Family always comes up.
Exactly. People always ask, do you have brothers or do you have sisters?
Yes, very common questions. So today we learn simple sentences to talk about family.
Perfect. I'm ready.
Great. So, Leo, let's start with an easy question. Do you have a big family or a small family?
I think I have a medium family. Not big, not small.
Nice. Who is in your family?
My mom, my dad, my younger sister, and me.
So, 4 people?
Yes, 4 people.
Good. Very simple sentence. There are 4 people in my family. Great.
Emma, what about your family?
My family's a little bigger. I have my mom, my dad, 2 brothers, and 1 sister. So 6 people.
Wow, that's big.
Yes, but it's fun.
So you say, there are 6 people in my family.
Exactly. Listeners, repeat. There are 6 people in my family. Very good.
Emma, maybe we can teach basic family words first?
Yes, great idea. Let's go through common family words. Mother,
Father,
brother,
sister,
son,
daughter,
husband,
wife,
parents.
children.
Listeners, repeat each word slowly. Mother, father, brother, sister, parents, children. Excellent.
And we can also say grandmother, grandfather, grandparents, uncle, aunt, cousin.
Yes, good job, Leo.
Thank you.
Listeners, repeat again. Grandmother, grandfather, uncle, aunt, cousin.
Now, maybe we can talk about describing family members?
Yes, good idea. For example, you can say, my mom is kind. My dad is funny. My sister is smart. My brother is tall.
Very simple sentences.
Exactly. Let's practice. Leo, tell us something about your family.
Okay, my mom is very kind. She always helps me.
Aw, that's sweet.
And my dad is funny. He tells jokes all the time.
I like him already.
And my sister, she is smart and energetic.
Nice. That's a great way to describe them. Listeners, think about your family. Choose one person and say, my blank is blank. For example, my brother is tall. Try it now. Great.
Emma, maybe we can teach the question, do you have?
Yes, very important for family talk. You can ask, do you have any brothers? Do you have any sisters? Do you have children? Do you have a big family?
And the answers are simple. Yes, I do. No, I don't.
And you can add details. Yes, I have 1 brother. Yes, I have 2 sisters. No, I don't have any brothers. No, I don't have children.
Very easy sentences.
Yes. Leo, do you have any brothers?
No, I don't. I don't have any brothers.
Do you have any sisters?
Yes, I do. I have 1 sister.
Perfect. Listeners, answer this question out loud. Do you have any brothers?
And now, do you have any sisters?
Now let's make a small natural conversation about family.
Okay, let's do it.
Do you have a big family, Leo?
Not really. There are 4 people in my family.
Who are they?
My mom, my dad, my sister, and me.
Nice. Do you have any brothers?
No, I don't. I don't have any brothers.
And do you have any cousins?
Yes, I have many cousins.
Oh, wow, a big extended family.
Yes, very big.
Very good. That was a natural daily conversation.
Yes, easy and useful.
Okay, listeners, your turn for a little practice. Answer these questions out loud. How many people are in your family? Do you have any brothers? Do you have any sisters? Who is in your family?
Great job. Now let's teach some extra sentences to talk about family life.
I live with my family. I visit my family often. I call my family every day. My family is very important to me.
These are beautiful sentences.
Yes. Listeners, repeat after us. I live with my family. I visit my family often. I call my family every day. My family is important to me. Excellent.
Emma, how often do you talk to your family?
Almost every day. I talk to my mom a lot.
That's cute. And you? I call my parents maybe 3 or 4 times a week.
Nice. Family connection is important.
Yes, very important.
Okay, Leo, let's do one more conversation example for practice.
Sure.
Tell me about your family.
There are 4 people in my family. My mom, my dad, my sister, and me. My mom is kind. My dad is funny. My sister is smart. I love them very much.
That was perfect, very clear and simple.
Thank you.
Listeners, you can practice the same. Start with, there are blank people in my family. Then describe each person. Great job.
Should we do a quick review?
Yes, let's do it. Today we learned family vocabulary: mother, father, brother, sister, parents, children, grandparents, uncle, aunt, cousin.
And we learned useful questions. Do you have any brothers? Do you have any sisters? How many people are in your family?
And we practiced simple sentences. There are 4 people in my family. My mom is kind. My dad is funny. I have 1 sister.
Very useful for daily conversation.
Yes, and simple enough for all beginners.
Thank you everyone for listening.
We are proud of you. Keep practicing.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye-bye.